Hi everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hello, hello. A lot of you folk have messaged me and you have said कि मेरा जो oops, sorry, 1 second. Okay, how do I turn this around? Yeah, there. A lot of you guys have messaged me and you have told me कि मेरा जो signature hellos hai, hello, 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 you actually really like it. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. I am having shakkar para with my chai. आज का मौसम कैसा रहा? What did you guys think of it? In London, you guys, it rained and rained and rained like crazy. So we had pakoras and where should I go? Yeah, we had lots of lovely pakora because we thought chai ke saath pakora would be nice. Rain like crazy. And let me get some more shakkar para because I'm peckish. 1 second. Yeah, so it kind of rained. The downpour was huge, massive downpour, and I actually got excited. I'll tell you why, right? I actually got excited because for the whole week, right, we've had a massive heat wave. Itna garam tha, right? I was like baking in hijab and everything. It was pretty crazy, right? So the temperatures were soaring. We thought it'd go as high as 30 degrees. 28 to ho hi gaya tha. 28, 29 to yahan ho hi gaya tha. And I know for other places, it's not bad at all. But for us Londoners, we were baking. Okay? So Shazad Khan, hello, welcome Sam. Thanks for joining. I hope you don't mind. I'm enjoying my shakkar para with my amazing cup of tea. And yes, I'm a chaiaholic. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thanks. How are you doing? Apni bataiye. मैं जो हूँ सुबह got up really buzzing and अभी जो बारिश जो हुई ना, I was really happy. I was thinking Allah ka shukr, thank God it rained because the grass and the flowers, they must have really, really desperately needed the rain, right? I know I did. We didn't go out anywhere, right? We had lots of commotion in the house. बाहर से हमारा जो है handyman नहीं, gardener है, he came over, so he was really good. Thank you Shahzad, I needed to hear that. Thank you so much. Because पता है क्या आजकल क्या होता है ना, if you don't sleep 8 to 9 hours, you get bags under your eyes and you got wrinkles under your eyes and you know crow's feet and whatnot. So I'm always concerned because I'm a terrible sleeper, right? और मैं चाय बहुत पीती हूँ. So my mom will tell you I'm terrible. I don't sleep at night. A lot of my close friends will tell you that they're always on my case कि Shafaq get some sleep, and I'm just like हाँ. But रात को ना एक अजीब सा you get peace, right? So I'm like a really a night person, and if nothing else, I would love to have my decaf at night. ठीक है, आप लोग ने आज कैसे गुजारा दिन? How was your day like? I realize a lot of you really like that I speak in Urdu in my live streams, and thank you so much. आपने appreciate किया ये बात. Thank you so much. I've never lived in Pakistan. I wasn't born there, so it's not like I have connections. You know, that explains why I speak Urdu. It's all you know, it's all due to my parents' hard work that they made sure कि हम जो है घर में उर्दू भी बात करें, English भी बात करें, because you can't speak in one language all the time, right? You just can't do that. And I know a lot of parents contact me and they say कि you know Shafaq, what do we do? Our kids you know, it's really complicated to get them speak in both languages, and what do we do? How do we make our kids speak in Urdu and in English? And conscious effort जो है ना, it's really difficult. Thank you Shahzad, thank you so much. मेरे आँख में शायद कुछ चला गया है. I think so. Anyway, so it is, I know it's really hard, right? Or these days जो है you know, when you go to school and it's English medium and you want your kids to be fluent in English and English में ही बातें करें, and there's this trend कि घर में जो है बड़े जो है ना बच्चों से जब बात करते हैं, they speak in English, right? Kids speak to English amongst each other, but the elders speak in Urdu with each other, which is unusual, but it is a phenomenon which takes place in communication at home. तो घर पे जो है बड़े भी जो है ना वो बच्चों से just to direct the conversation to the child, right, they start speaking in English, and when the parents are speaking to each other they start speaking in Urdu. And the thing is, right, वो बच्चा जो है वो उर्दू सुन तो रहा है मगर उसे प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो रही उर्दू बात करने की, ठीक है. So Shahzad Khan, you're saying you speak in Greek and in Urdu. Wow, now that's unusual. How exotic is that? You speak Greek. आपको सुना रहा होगा मैं बात करके because I can't imagine Greek and Urdu का combination जो है. I mean there must be so much language mixing there as well कि आप Greek का word उर्दू में भी use कर रहे हैं और उर्दू का word Greek में भी use कर रहे हैं in conversation. But you're probably using Greek with your customers or with your clients or something, है ना. और उर्दू आप किससे बात करते हैं, दोस्तों से बात करते होंगे from back home या पेरेंट्स से बात करते होंगे. So I think it's really interesting to observe कि who you're directing what kind of speech to, who are you directing your Urdu to, who are you directing your English to. And if kids are stumbling saying Urdu, because पता है जो माउथ का एक शेप होता है ना, हे अब्दुल कदीर अस्सलाम वालेकुम अमेरिका से कैसे हैं आप, जो मुंह का जो शेप होता है ना when you're speaking, right, उर्दू के लिए your tongue has to be able to find the positions to articulate Urdu sounds. तो for example जो मेरे बेटे के जो उस्ताद हैं, I don't think he's watching right now, right, he was encouraging Ayan how to produce these sounds for Arabic. जैसे गैन gh sound is all the way from the back of your throat, right, you have ha, gh, all these sounds are from different parts of your mouth. You have ta, which is from a different part. तो उर्दू के जो sounds है ना, pe, for example, for Pakistan, pe, be, be is a b in English as well. But all these different sounds, right, if your child does not have experience of articulating these sounds from the different parts of the mouth, right, from the different regions of the mouth भी ना एक मैप है, रोड मैप है माउथ का कि किस सेक्शन से कौन से साउंड्स बनते हैं. वालेकुम सलाम अब्दुल कदीर, हाउ आर यू डूइंग. आपके फोटोज देखती रहती हूँ माशाल्लाह. you're very you have lots of exciting drives, and गाड़ी में जब आप होते हैं तो आपके pictures जो हैं जो आप share करते हैं, that's really interesting, so thank you for that. It's entertaining, isn't it lovely when you join Facebook, right, that it's really nice to see कि एक दूसरे को आप क्या शेयर कर रहे हैं, what content are you sharing with each other. कोई अपनी गाड़ी की फ़ोटो शेयर कर रहा होता है, कोई खाने का फ़ोटो शेयर कर रहा होता है, और मैं जो बातें करती हूँ स्पीच थेरेपी का और अपने चाय का हमेशा शेयर करती हूँ आप लोग से. एंड Abdul Qadir, you're asking mom and dad कैसे हैं. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह they are much better. मगर जो फॉल हुआ था ना उससे काफ़ी शेकन अप हो गए थे वो लोग, स्पेशली माई मॉम. मुझे बहुत तकलीफ हुई थी. अक्सर मैंने अक्सर आंसू बहाए मैंने बिकॉज आई couldn't see them in discomfort and pain. अम्मी को काफ़ी तकलीफ हुआ था and it was just really hard. It was really hard. जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स को देखते हैं ना vulnerable, it's really hard. मगर alhamdulillah a lot better now. अम्मी आएंगी अगर नीचे अभी तो I'm sure she'll say hello to you all. She's always she's always very supportive of these live streams, and my dad, they're both very supportive of my live streams. And Hania Farouk, hello from Egypt. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing, Hania? I've never seen you on my live stream before. Thank you so much, and a huge welcome to you. Thank you to all my FB followers and everyone who's joining in right now, because it's lovely connecting. Because abhi, during COVID, I think the one thing that we realized is we all need to connect with each other. And human beings जो हैं हम लोग social animals हैं, we need to connect with each other, network with each other, and that's the only way we're going to get through these lockdowns and COVID and illnesses and ups and downs सबके lives में आते हैं. And we really need to connect with each other, share with each other, so that we get through the downs more than the ups. And we're all really happy to hear about each other's ups कि किसने क्या achieve किया, who's achieved what. It's really nice to hear all that. So please do keep on sharing, you guys, because I love to hear from you. And when things go really well for me, I shared with you guys because I get really excited okay, my efforts have been appreciated and they've been valued. So for those people you're very welcome, Hania. And Abdul Qadir is saying you love hot milk. Okay, milk has no competition with chai. I'm sorry to say chai wins all the way. ठीक है, आप देसी हो, you know, be it Asian, be it an Arab. Arabs I know like coffee a lot, right? But for me, coffee sometimes. Okay, I can appreciate that people really love their coffees, and they have their favorite spots for coffee, and I know my brother does. He has this joint in Streatham. What's it called? Big Bad Wolf. And it's run by a really nice guy called Andrew, and a coffee over there is really, really good. So if you're ever in Stratton, pop into Big Bad Wolf and get yourself a nice treat. And for me, I have to say कि coffees भी अपनी जगह ठीक है. Hot milk, I'm sorry Abdul Kadir, मैं कभी नहीं पीऊँगी hot milk. I'm so not a Horlicks person, all that. I have to have my chai. और जब तक 2 cups of chai नहीं होता ना सुबह को, I need my 2 cups of tea so that I wake up. Abdul Kadir, you're saying मैं भी आपकी वीडियो देखता हूँ. शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. That means you also watch my videos, and thank you so much. It means a lot to me, because sometimes, right, I feel really down and I think, you know, no one's benefiting from my videos, and I was a bit down, but someone very recently sent me such a sweet message about my live streams and my videos, and she totally cheered me up. You know who you are. And I just want to say thank you again, because you know what, messages like that are really encouraging, and it really, really helps. And sometimes when you're feeling down, or you're thinking, you know, मैं social media पे इतना ज़्यादा share करती हूँ, live stream करती हूँ, you know, किसी को फ़ायदा हो रहा है कि नहीं? Is anyone benefiting from your live streams, right? And it's really, really nice to get that feedback that you've actually, even if it's to one person, if you've made a difference in someone's life, or if you've spread some positivity in their lives, right? Even with a bit of information, or with a smile, even smiling in Islam is a sunnat. Why? Because sometimes a person is missing a reason to smile, and if your smile helps somebody else, why not? Go for it. Abdul Kadir, you're saying, मैं देसी हूँ लेकिन पहले चाय बहुत पीता था, अब milk. So Abdul Kadir is trying to tell us that he he liked a tea before, earlier on, but now he likes his milk. चलो भाई, American चीज़ है ये. Milk and cookies is an American thing, but chai biscuit is very much an English thing, a desi thing. Yes, chai biscuit. Come on, that's a very, very desi thing. It's a very British thing when you have your, you know, when you dunk your biscuit in your tea. Mind you, if I have coffee, I love dunking Kit Kat in my coffee, chocolate in your coffee. Nice. ठीक है. और क्या कह रहे हैं आप लोग? Yeah, so I was talking about languages, right? So if you have kids, right, and this doesn't just apply to Urdu, your mother tongue, any language which you want your child to use, right, to articulate speech, right, it's really important that you encourage them to practice it, because your mouth has a setting. They have a setting for English sounds, right? That's brilliant. That's fine. Most kids will learn English because they hear it a lot, and they're encouraged to practice it in school. But when it comes to your mother tongue, I really like my pink fleece. Don't you guys think this is so cute? Sorry, apne hi kapde se distract ho gayi. This is actually quite new. I don't even know if I've taken the tags off. The tag's still on it. I actually got this really recently. The tag is still on it. But I'm a bit silly because I was never a pink person. I like my blues and my greens. और ये पहली दफ़ा मैंने ना pink fleece लिया है. So this pink fleece, I really like it. I think it goes well with my kapra, because blue, grey and pink go really well. But anyways, I'm derailing off the topic here. मुझे देख के दोबारा चाय नहीं स्टार्ट कर दें. अब अब्दुल कदीर, चाय को तो साथ नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए ना. You should have your teas. Milk to apni jagah. Milk is like, you know, I tell my son, you have to have your milk because you have to grow tall. But milk apni jagah. Chai, caffeine. I wouldn't encourage kids to start drinking tea and coffee until they're probably doing their A levels or in high school or something, like later. Earlier in school is not a good idea. But caffeine, I don't know. I can't stay up. You know, without my caffeine. Like when we were doing our A levels or university ka jo degree ke liye padh rahe the na, when you're studying, you need to stay up late nights. You need to focus. You need clarity, right? And you need that company of caffeine late at night. I know not a lot of you have drank caffeine and taken support from teas and coffees while you were studying. But I do know a lot of people, even medics, have not haven't developed the habit of caffeine while they're studying, but I couldn't do that. So when I was studying, and point to note, when I did my undergrad, my degree, right, that was fine. Like chai peeti thi, this and that. When I did my masters, mera beta ho chuka tha. So my son was like, how old was he when I was doing my masters? He must have been 10, 11 months. No, he was 9 months exactly in the September that I started on my masters. I remember. See, dimag abhi bhi sharp hai. So he was 9 months old when I started my masters. So by the time I finished, वो 1.5 साल का हो गया था. 1.5 साल का हो गया था. When he was 2, I had my graduation. 2.5, I had my graduation. Then for my masters, that is. The degree to speech therapist मैं बन चुकी थी. And when I did my masters, but that's when I really needed chai to stay up at night and to study and for clarity. And bahar bhi university jab jati thi na, I'd come running back because I'd miss my son so much. And Ammi used to look after my son. Abdul Qadir, you're saying 30 के बाद chai time start हो जाता है. हाँ ठीक है, आप चाय पीना शुरू कर दें. So I don't know how many of you are tea lovers and how many of you like your coffee, but enjoy your hot drinks, especially when, let's see, can you see any of the, it's not raining outside, is it? नहीं, अभी तो रुका हुआ है बारिश. It's not raining outside, but in my house अभी ये हुआ था. The kitchen is empty right now. सफाई होके हम ऊपर जा चुके थे. We had our pakoras and we had our mango, and I'll share a shot with you of my plate because I did the weirdest thing, right? I put mango and pakora together, and I do weird things like that. So I was having my pakora with my chai. तो अभी बनाया है. अम्मी अब्बू को भी मैं दे के आई हूँ चाय. So I gave them some chai right now. But I was having tea, and then I thought of you all, and I thought this is probably a good time to have a chat. Safia Akram, I love tea too. Assalamu alaikum Safia, how are you doing? Gee, I can't be without my chai. So Ammi's really mad at me sometimes because she gets annoyed when I overdrink tea because tea is not good for your health. Zyada chai nahi. So the worst I've done is 5 cups of tea a day. I know, pretty shocking. 5 cups of tea a day, कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया है ना. But Abdul Qadir, no coffee. मैं कॉफ़ी पीती हूँ. I have coffee जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ ना. कॉफ़ी शॉप में जाके चाय कौन पिएगा? If someone can serve you a really good coffee, then why would you have tea? Desis love chai, ji. Hania Farooq, where are you from? Okay, Hania, that's a really big $1 million question. I'll just tell you something, a bit about myself, yeah? Since a lot of you are here, which is lovely. A bit about myself. My parents are both Urdu speaking. Okay, so they're from Pakistan, right? But I've recently found out that, wait for this. I've recently found out that from my mother's side, there's a bit of Turkish blood in us. I know, right? Turkish. So that's from my mother's side. We've heard that her great grandmother was Turkish, and it's really interesting because the name of my mother's great grandparents, right? It's in some history book or something that my brother was researching. My first cousins in the States and in Turkey were looking into, and there's a mention somewhere, and I will ask my brother again. I might share it with you guys because it's really, really funny, So when people see me, right, I had this guy. I went to the shop recently, and there was this guy over there, jo serve kar raha hota hai, till pe jo hota hai, and he goes, he's really serious. Dekh raha hai mujhe, dekh raha, and I'm shopping, and I'm thinking, why is this guy staring at me like that? I mean, and because I'm a lady in hijab, you have to be really careful, right? You have to be really careful, and you have to be aware of your surroundings because आजकल ना इस्लामोफोबिया भर गया है दुनिया में. बट एनीवेज, बैक टू समथिंग पॉजिटिव. तो उसने कहा मुझसे कि बात कर सीरियसली, ऐसा देख रहा है मुझे, बिल्कुल अकड़ा हुआ इंसान, ऐसा देख रहा है एकदम सीरियसली मुझे. ना जस्ट पे करने गई हूँ मैं, फिर मुझे देखता है, and he goes to me are you Turkish? And इतने क्लियरली भी नहीं बात किया, ठीक है. He said it in a really really undertone के mumble किया literally, and I was like, excuse me, and he goes, are you Turkish? And मैंने एक सेकंड की सोचा, and I thought कि इसे बताऊँ कि मेरा background क्या है. Then I thought, nah. And I said, no, I'm Pakistani. And I said, where are you from? And he goes to me, Isaac Khan, Assalamu alaikum. I'm not really from Turkey. No, Abdul Qadir, I'm not really from Turkey. My mother's great grandmother was from Turkey. So 1/16 perhaps, or one something I am. But yeah, but my father's side also has green eyes. So it's not just from my mother's side, so I got it from both of them. My father's side is completely from, Pakistan, India side. Isal Khan, you're saying, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Topic about today. Topic क्या है आज का? आज मैं 2-3 टॉपिक पे हूँ. एक तो है कि as usual चाय पी रही थी. I couldn't resist. और मैं जो हूँ शक्करपारा खा रही थी. शक्करपारा नहीं, sorry. That's slip of the tongue. नमक पारा. I've had so much sugar this week कि शक्करपारे का कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है. नमक पारा खा रही थी and चाय and क्या कहते हैं, I just thought I'd say hello as always. I just thought I'd catch up. Ayan, my son is messaging me. बाद में उससे बात कर लूँगी. I hope he comes down. I'd love for him to come and say hello to you guys. Let me get some of my namak para because I love having that with chai. Yeah, so topic तो मैं फिर ये बात कर रही थी कि चाय आज बारिश बहुत हुई है लंदन में, बहुत बारिश हुई. I mean there was a complete sudden downpour, right? And I was like really happy because जो flowers and grass जो है ना, they were desperate for some water because I tell you what, because it's been crazy heat wave. London, as you will know, it's been super hot. You know, itna garmi tha, it was like 28-29 degrees it was reaching, right? I was baking hijab mein, or this is perfect for me. This is perfect, having a slight fleece or itni Abdul Kadir ji aapne sahi kaha, chai and pakode is the topic for today. Not only that, I'm also talking about languages and how it's really important to encourage your children to use your mother tongue ताकि जो sounds हैं, especially जैसे sounds in Urdu that you have your q, qaf and kaf. Mr. Tasawwur, you're not here, otherwise आप मुझे reinforce करते मेरी बातों को कि there are lots of sounds जो are made from the back of your halaq, you know, from your back of your neck, and there are lots of sounds जो सामने से बनते हैं. इसाक खान आपने उर्दू में क्यों लिख दिया message? Because I can't read Urdu that fast. I mean I can speak it, I can speak Urdu, I cannot read it like the way you've written. आपने क्या लिखा है? वैसे एक आम सवाल है आपसे क्या? I don't understand what you've written. This is so bad. At least I read a bit of it. Yay. I read a bit of it, but I don't understand what you've written. So no, London की लड़की हूँ यार. बात कर लेती हूँ Urdu, that's enough. Reading Urdu is not my cup of tea. Abdul Qadir, you like my pink fleece क्या बोलते हैं? So I'm going to be wearing more of this. This is actually my summer fleece now. तो थोड़ा सा जब chill होगा ना London में, then I will be wearing more of this pink rather than the black. The black fleece is my favorite fleece, and I wear that right through winter. But ये pink जो है ना, Shahzad Khan, you're saying Urdu कैसे सीखी? That credit goes to my parents and Urdu dramas. Urdu dramas, and my parents take credit for the fact that we've learned Urdu, all my siblings and I. Can we call tea a drug? Let's go back to the roots of what's the definition of a drug. A drug is bad for your health and it's addictive, right? Caffeine का है जहाँ तक मेरा ख्याल है, caffeine was actually invented by the Arabs because they wanted to stay up all night. Coffee beans. Coffee is something. Hania, what are you saying? You speak Arabic? Did I say some Arabic sounds? I think that's because of the Quran. I said some Arabic sounds, but I have lived in Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates, so I am familiar with Arabic language, alhamdulillah. But I'm just saying that the Arabs came up with coffee beans, and they discovered coffee, right? Because they wanted to stay up all night for night prayers, in during Ramadan and during the big nights, right? So the Arabs did that, right? Ji main namak pare kha rahi hu. And so I don't think coffee and tea is a drug. I think a drug is very bad for your health, such as nicotine. That is a drug, right? Smoking is really bad for your health, so I don't think you should smoke at all. All right? Smoking is really bad for your health, but and the hard drugs and the soft drugs, they're all not good. And I think medicinal purposes se jo hota hai, you can consider having that as a medicinal purpose, but after you talk to your doctor. Isal Khan, I mean, what was that? Can we consider chai as a nasha? No, of course not. Chai is not a nasha. You don't lose your senses because you've had tea. That's alcohol. If you have alcohol, you will too much of alcohol and you lose your senses and your reaction rates become slower, and aapko yaad nahi rehta next day, you have a hangover. All these things happen from alcohol, not from chai. Chai say, if anything, you get sharper, and the other thing is you go to the toilet a lot because water builds up in your bladder, right? So chai, it has no comparison whatsoever with a drug. Soft drugs, hard drugs, alcohol, that's all at a different level. Chai and coffee, different. I'm thinking I should heat up my chai. तो ठंडा हो गया. 1 second, you guys. यहाँ पे क्या है? What I found. In the microwave, किसी ने पकोड़ा रखा हुआ है सेव करके, because I think we didn't finish all the pakoras, which is really unusual. That's my mom's pakora. I'm just microwaving my tea because बात करते करते ना चाय जो है वो ठंडी हो गई, and I really like my chai hot. I wish I could share the pakoras with you guys. If you're ever down south near my house, come around. We'll have chai nashta together. Yeah, so namak pare हुए हैं, pakora मिल गया है from the microwave. Someone put in a lovely bowl and they put in the microwave because someone might need to eat it, which is brilliant because I just found it. And chai microwave ho gaya, so I'm just gonna enjoy that. Who's asking me what? Isaan Khan, do you take Kashmiri chai ever? Yes, I have tried it. I've tried it at numerous occasions. Most recently, I tried it at my mom's cousin's house. And theek hai, pink tea. You have to get used to and acquire the taste, I think. Hania, you said, are you a speech and language therapist? Yes, I am a speech and language therapist. I graduated in London. Don't use microwave. Abdul Qadir, ek minute. Don't say don't use microwave. मैं अभी थोड़ा तो dependent हूँ microwave पे. But Hania, you're asking me what I do as a profession. I am a bilingual speech and language therapist, and I help children and adults with communication difficulties. And I also give talks and speeches at university, the university I studied from, which is University College London in central London. I love it. I absolutely love my university, and I love the fact that I do lectures over there and I do talks over there. It's brilliant. Really, really enjoy it. What do you do, Hania? Let me know what you do as a profession. And what are your favorite foods? Egyptian food must be amazing because I love Lebanese food. Turkish food, after watching Ertugrul, I think Turkish food looks really good as well, especially the culture of sharing bread. Love it. Really, really, really neat. अभी जो है चाय गर्म हो गई है, मैं चाय पी लूँ. So wow, we've touched on so many things today. हमने क्या क्या चीज़, gosh you guys, I haven't taken my tag off. Yeah, so this is a new fleece. You like it, right? Let me just take the tag off. I forgot to take it off. I just ordered it. Tag निकाल दिया मैंने. So I don't usually wear pink. And इस दफ़ा जो है pink fleece मंगवाया मैंने. Where's the dustbin? Yeah, pink fleece मंगवाया मैंने. Because I just thought it might look cute for my summer live streams, because my summer live streams are generally for the summer, because मैं जो हूँ I'm usually always in my black fleece, and it's okay, it gets a bit boring sometimes, but I love my black fleece. But anyways, pink fleece. So what did we touch on? We've touched on so many things today. So we've touched on chai, caffeine, we have touched on clothing. We have touched on rain, which triggered this whole live stream business because it was crazy rainfall. Abdul Qadir is messaging saying from America, that is. Abdul Qadir, where are you? In Houston. मुझे आपको देख के भूख लग गई है. I'm so sorry. मैं खाती जा रही हूँ, आप लोग से बात की जा रही हूँ. I'm so sorry. At times I can be a bit rude, but it's okay. You guys are my friends, right? Grab yourself a drink and sit with me and have chai with me. I would love to do this every week with you guys, just a chai party, right? But the thing is my life is so unpredictable, right? कि कभी I'm outside, or sometimes you have a guest, or sometimes phone call आया हुआ होता है, or sometimes Zoom call हुआ होता है, or something or the other, right? And I'm just not very predictable like that. So I can't just say, okay guys, every week let's meet at this time and grab a cup of chai and let's just chat or let's just speak. ये one-off हो जाता है और सही time पे होता है. When you guys join me, it's wonderful, and when I'm in the mood, it's wonderful. अभी मेरा कभी कभी ये होता है कि one thing I should mention is that who just joined me? Someone just joined me. Jishan from America just joined me because I just saw his picture pop up. Assalamu alaikum, thanks for joining. Yeah, so we've had lots of topics that we've been talking about. It's crazy. Yes, hey, it's crazy. We've even touched on drugs. कहाँ चाय की बात हो रही थी और कहाँ से आप सब ने drugs का बात शुरू कर दिया मुझसे. Thank God, my younger brother, he had told me about coffee beans and the link with coffee beans and Muslims and the Arabs and where it all came from. Is someone here? नहीं, कोई नहीं है. Anyways, yes, I'm really glad he told me about that because I've been able to share that information with you. That yeah, so don't refrain from chai unless you absolutely dislike it. And I'm not encouraging you to have chai if you don't drink it, but yeah, chai is amazing stuff. Abdul Qadir ji, कहिए आप क्या कह रहे हैं? Houston से. अभी Houston से move हो गया हूँ. कहाँ गए आप Houston से? Where have you moved to? Hello, Ma. Sorry, do you need your kitchen? It's a live stream. It's okay. आप kitchen जाइए. I'm just talking on this side. My ammi's come into her kitchen. मैंने आपसे कहा था ना कि पकोड़े हो गए आज, mangoes हो गए. So we had pakoras and we had mangoes and yeah. And we've spoken about moods and how some people have ups and downs. Thank you for reminding me, Abdul Qadir. And it's really nice to share good stories with each other. And agar kabhi udas hote hain, so it's really nice to talk to each other and connect. So these live streams are wonderful for me because I've been able to connect with a lot of you. Hania, thank you so much. It was lovely to meet you as well. And please do stay in touch. And I do look forward to seeing you in any future live streams. It will be wonderful to hear from you. Thank you so much. I should go now and help my mom. बहुत बातें हो गई आप लोग सबसे. Thank you so much. अगर कोई topic आपको बहुत interesting लगा, do give me feedback. And thank you to all the people who have been giving me feedback. You guys are awesome. You're amazing. Chai abhi bhi garam hai, so I'm going to go off and finish that. ठीक है, Abdul Qadir, everybody who joined me today, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Look after yourselves, be good, and stay in touch. Allah Hafiz. Bye.